back of the AstraZeneca numbers there. So I was waiting to see weakness on their numbers before I started to try and do any business on the main index. So I was, obviously anybody trading AstraZeneca has got a read on this, right? So we know that if their stock's embargoed, if their output's embargoed, we don't want to do any business until their trade comes back online. And when their trade comes back online, I just wait for that weakness. Wait for that weakness and then absolutely hammer the S&P behind any weakness, because we might not have got any, in which case the broad market is going to keep going up and up and up and up and up. So you've got to make sure you know this stuff, right? You've got to make sure you know this stuff. If you don't know it, guys, where's your news? Where are you up to date with your news? You've got to make sure you're on top of this stuff if you're going to trade things like bonds and equities, guys. You've got to make sure you have this news available so that you don't make stupid, dumbass decisions at the wrong time. I'm just booking profits on that short trade at the moment. My average price was 92.75 was my average price on the S&P. So I am booking just now on size. And that's a nice trade for me. I've liked it. Sometimes retail traders wonder why they don't make any money a lot of the times, and it's because they're just not up to speed. They're not doing what professionals do. They're in a completely different game to a professional trader. You've got to know this stuff. You've got to know what's going on, right? It stops at break even on that one. So that's me. Sell side off of this top edge here. We booked into this bottom edge here, and we kind of finished booking just into this area here. And the price is now driving back up against that AstraZeneca narrative in the background. And if we have another opportunity, perhaps there might be a trade up here. But by then, obviously, we're going to be in classroom, so I might not get a chance to do anything with it. But good. I've enjoyed that little trade. Made a little bit of money. But because we managed to get some good size, we can obviously get smaller profits out the same move, but it still makes us as much money. We'll be getting started in just 60 seconds or so, so if you want to grab a coffee now that the excitement's over with AstraZeneca, do so.